in both places. Let me switch this out. Glad I took small loss on Nokia, dropping like flies right now. Yeah, and that's just the way you have to play it. You don't know that it's going to drop like flies. And you just shouldn't subject your money to that kind of risk. That's what it's really about. That's what selling is really about. It's that when these things get like this, you can only day trade them. That means all day though, pre-market all the way through the after hours. I mean, you're going to get all the action. You're just not going to get the gap. And that's fine. It's purely about you being in control of your profits. All right, let's take a look at these. Let's start setting up some entries. Nokia could move today again, so we'll keep that up. KOSS definitely is moving, and it's doing really well, actually. It's looking like the stock of the day. GameStop, just crapped out. I was just going to say that it's doing all right, but it just crapped out from 444 to 400-ish. So that one is showing signs of lack of demand. Maybe everybody's moving over to KOSS. And Jill, let me see that chart. Yeah, Jill doesn't look good much at all. I feel like I should keep it on the radar, though, just in case. EXPR. Not very beautiful pre-market shape. KOSS really is the best looking pre-market shape we've got going right now. Nokia for sure does not have good pre-market shape. I've almost taken it off my radar if it wasn't so hyped up right now. All right, so out of all those, and BB also not looking good. Let's see here. Well, actually, BB was looking okay until it then was not able to hold gains over 25. They took GME and AMC off Robinhood. Wow, that's insane. But they took them off TD Ameritrade as well. They must have got like letters from the company. Yo, can you guys stop going crazy on our stock? Never heard a company refuse gains before. Because they're probably fucking shorting their own companies. That's what's going on. Assholes. All right, let's see here. What else is pre-market volume and huge up? NAKD. All right, let me take a look at NAKD over in the Nokia spot. Good morning, Paul, Lewis, Marwin, Maso, Reggie. Elliot, like the market the way it is, like we should have got up like 4 hours ago. Seriously, because the opportunity on cost was insane. Yep. Let's see here. Let's see here. Where the hell are you? I already did. Oh man, what a morning. All right. Wow. I don't know why, but Naked's having a hard time pulling up the chart right now. Oh, speak of the devil. There we go. Okay, Naked's pre-market chart. After hours and pre-market. Looks good. Looks good. In fact, it's almost an entry here as it gets near this 200 and is basing and is at the bottom of this range. You could like get in now at whatever it is, 2.7-ish, but then stop out if it were to break this low at 2.63. So if anybody wants that, they can go ahead. 25% of your account, something like that. Pre-market play on Naked, but it could crap out, and so then you have to cut it at 2.63 Naked while we have it up. We got Sundial also making moves. I'm going to take Jill off of the radar. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think, man? We need more slots on this screen. I'll tell you, that's the problem right now. I'm going to take off some of this daily info. I don't know. It's the only way to go. We need more slots. All right, pulling up Sundial, so we shall see. American Airlines, right. Let's take a look at that. I saw that on the news. Market madness. If you're playing this game, be careful if you're long. He goes, yep. I can't wait to be watching all this news later on the replays. YOLO, 10K to 80 million. Well, the market looks like it's holding that low of yesterday, which is what we were talking about. The rejection candle is holding, but we'll see how it goes today. I wouldn't be long much anything right now. American Airlines is not coming up on TD Ameritrade, is acting up, I guess, this morning again. All right, Sundial's coming in now. Take a look at that. Yeah, we can work with that on Sundial. It didn't hold its last rally, but overall, it's in an uptrend. So long as it continues to hold. If it dropped to like 0.8, then we just have to watch it all day, which we're going to do anyway. All right, so let me strike a line on there. Jonathan, no, we're going to strictly go with what's way, way up in pre-market with our morning day trades here. I could look at swing trades this afternoon. Yeah, because we got to focus. We got to focus. So there, see on naked how it broke 2.63. That trade would not have worked out. You're still here. Oh, you're still here. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to be lighting up. Got the coffee. Couple neurons just connected to extra. Wall Street Bets next target, Lishi, is what? Is silver. Okay, that's crazy. They're going to make the price of silver move, huh? They're getting really bold now. Well, I'm still liking KOSS a lot. On the pre-market pattern. Wow. Robinhood took GME, BB, NAKD, Nokia, and AMC off their brokerage for buying. See, I knew it, man. There's going to be a lot of crackdown. They're not letting you make money. Day traders are like the fleas in the business. They're the fleas on the dog. They shouldn't treat us that way, though, because we provide a ton of liquidity. Totally, Gabe. This is what we talked about last night in class. Watch out. Tomorrow it's probably going to be over because, and it wasn't, but at least in the pre-market, but because they're just going to be cracking down. Yeah, we should have AMC up. Thanks, man. That's a good point, Justin. Let me get that up on this one here. Where you can buy KOSS. For KOSS, the next buy point will be a 25% entry at 149.50. So I guess we're going to stick to these, and so I'll start to write what they are on here now. This one is naked. Can somebody just quickly tell me what's the number of shares float on American Airlines? I don't think we'll be going after that. Okay, 35% is the shares float. I mean, shares short, float short percent, excuse me, Caleb. Okay, but how many shares float do they have total? So that's above that on FinViz, if you're looking on FinViz. Baby. All right. For 600 million, okay? That's 10 times the amount that GME has, and that's similar to what Nokia has. So you can expect American Airlines to move like Nokia. You just sold yesterday, son of a wow. That's gotta hurt. Oh, cool. I can actually select and move these things. Let me see if that's true. Yes. I can get these into perfect spots. Nice. All right, AMC this morning. All right, let me get the 1 minute chart up on AMC. What's up? Should we buy Nokia? Not really. Maybe we'll wait for entry on that. Why do I not have Nokia up? Okay, we lost Nokia on our board here. Let me get that back up too. It's just it's been crapping out. So unless it breaks a pre-market pivot high or a high pre-market high, I wouldn't buy Nokia. That's the answer on that. CTRM, where are we buying at? On what platform with Robinhood down? Yeah. NTDA starting to restrict certain entries on certain stocks as well. The most money is going into AMC. With $19 billion traded on AMC this morning. Next to that, only $8 billion going into BB. Similar amount going into Nokia. Both BB and Nokia have 10 times the float though, so they're not going to be as reactive. AMC has 5 times the float of GME. American Airlines has had $4 billion. NAKD also in a similar problematic spot with too many shares. EXPR also same problem. CCL, it looks like, is on the list, but Sundial, same problem. Genus down. Genius Brands. Yeah, I mean, it looks like KOSS might be where it's at, but actually not a lot of people are putting money into it. But I'm sure that's going to change. All right, so I got Nokia up here. KOSS just crapped out from 130 to now 96. KOSS totally crapping out. GME is dropping like mad. Yes. So is BB. So this is a Robinhood. This is a Robinhood. I don't know why this is going on, but Robinhood opens up at 8 a.m. for pre-market trading. And I don't know why, but either they're pissed off and they told their friends, get the hell out. They're not letting me get in. But for some reason, because Robinhood is allowing them to sell but not buy. That's what it is. They can only sell. So they're like, oh, shoot. All right, I'll get the hell out. This is what's going on. 8 a.m. hit, and now everything's dropping because they can only get out. So everyone on Robinhood is like, well, crap, if I can only get out, I'm getting out. That is what you're seeing. So that just goes to show you, like, we'll be able to calculate how much billions of dollars Robinhood traders put into all this. Like later today, I'm going to calculate that. Then I'll be able to know how much liquidity Robinhood and how much pressure Robinhood supplies. Citadel. Okay, cool. You guys on TikTok, if you want to trade with us live this morning, after the market opens, this pre-market game plan will be down. But if you want to come trade with us live this morning, you got to be a VIP trial in our group. You know, we're looking at everything. Not just those three. So link is in the bio. Wow. Look at that Robinhood effect. Yep. Everything dumping. And the market actually went up in the pre-market. Wow. AMC pre-market shape looks just like sundial. Right. So, but we can create some pivots on there now. What do you mean you're back? What happens, DJ? Did something happen? Did you lose your internet? All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm marking off the most recent pivot points, because those will be the points to overcome and create entries. Isn't it ironic that the very thing that's happening right now that's screwing people and making people lose half of their money and their retirement income, like all these drops are going on, is supposedly meant to protect them? The inability, this, like what they're doing has caused this drop, because you can only sell. You can only sell. Like, you didn't agree to that. You didn't agree to the terms and conditions to say, like, yes, I love Robinhood. Yes, I agree. Yes, if I buy something, we can't sell it, or vice versa. Or if I'm in something, I can only sell it. I can't buy more. Yeah, I agree to that. You guys didn't agree to that. They can't just make up rules like that, you know? So we could go class action with the SEC on that. You can just mid holding, somebody could be in this for $10 million and just lost, $7 million because of what brokerages think they can do, unless the SEC is, approved that, which I do not know that they did. Somebody says, yes, Karen, you can file at the SEC. Ironic that Karen is asking about suing. Still, none of our big players allowed, though. Right. All right, let's not miss an opportunity here. How about XSPA? Keith, are you in the room this morning? Yeah, you are. Keith, are there any, bigger caps, a billion or more, other than American Airlines, with some incredible pre-market news? AG. So AG continues to be a pick. All right, let me take a look. I'm going to switch this one out here. Thanks, buddy. First Majestic Silver Corporation is what AG is. All right, you guys got me curious about silver, so now I'm going to put that in a slot as well. SLV. All right, I got one more slot here. What should I do? American Airlines? Top volume for the day. It really needs to be popping. American Airlines, perhaps American Airlines. Okay, so that's what I'll pull up. It's only okay if the poor people get screwed over, right? Yeah, right. It's such bullshit. Wall Street bets, we're way behind. We're with you. This was lame. Microsoft, Mike says. How much is Microsoft up? Why'd you say Microsoft? You said Microsoft. I thought maybe you wanted me to pull up Microsoft. Never mind. No. It's just I thought you meant that it was up. But all right. AG, SLV, American Airlines. Okay, let me type those up as well here. All right, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of the leading stocks: Nokia, AMC, Sundial, BB, GME, Jill, AAL, SLV, AG, and NAKD, EXPR, and KOSS, NAKD, NAKD. So for you guys on TikTok, I have everything up on the other screens here. If you want to join us in our live trading room, please follow the link in my bio, and we'll be trading these stocks this morning. I'll be calling them out, the key levels. I don't know. Can you guys on the Zoom read my key levels even on your screens? Is it pretty clean? Yeah, I know about XSPA. Yeah, and it is moving, but I don't have another slot here anywhere. Interactive Brokers removed KOSS, GME, and AMC. Why would they remove KOSS? Come on, that is my pick of the week. What you mean, Amber? Can we watch one instead of one they've removed? I guess so. XSPA. I'll put that in one of the slots for one of the weaker picks here. They haven't touched Jill. I can't take down KOSS. So whatever dropped hardest, probably I should take off. You guys want me to take off BB? If I get a ton of OKs on that, then I'll put XSPA over there. We replace XSPA. We will replace BB with XSPA. Gabe says fine. Sounds good. All right, but if somebody's hot all over BB, I don't want to get you upset. BB keep, somebody says, keep BB. Yeah, but can you guys even trade it? You guys can't even trade it. Did you check your brokerage? You probably can't even buy. It's restricted. And it just fell so hard. He says he's stupid deep in BB. Yeah, well, you should have got out, man. If you own BB, you don't be waiting for me to go, oh, we're getting close to entry. That could be all day. In the meantime, you lost 45, 75% of your money. Don't hold these things. Don't hold, guys. These stocks have become unhinged and are only day tradable. They're not holdable. Take your gains. Cut your losses. Trade them. All right. Market opens in 15 minutes. I'm trying to... Right on. All right. So KOSS, EXPR, and NAKD all crapped out huge on the Robinhood discovery that only people can close their positions, and mass selling happened. BB dropped, GME dropped, Nokia dropped, AMC dropped, and SNDL dropped. So everybody got out of those, and they won't be able to. Robinhood liquidity will be gone today. So, all right, I got to replace. Let's see. Let's see which one has the least opportunity to do something. I mean, at this point, it'd probably be GME because the next entry on GME is the high of pre-market high, practically 510. But I'd rather get rid of like silver. AG is really pumping a lot. I think AG is going to be the play of the day now. Look at that. AG. American Airlines. You know what? I'm going to get rid of American Airlines because do you guys really think that's going to run big? Let's see. The idea here is to get up XSPA. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to just check it out on this other screen of mine. And then we'll go back to that. Takes a moment to load up. No, Ryan. Because it takes days and weeks for people to switch, and there's only a percentage of people that are going to do that switch. So, yeah. That'd be a very negligible effect. Yeah. A lot of 25% entries on AAL going up if we start to get into that. All right, let me take a look at XSPA and see what we're working with. Yeah, not bad. It's pretty messy. It's pretty hairy, but not bad. I don't think I would replace AG with that, though. AG looks pretty good. But I could replace AAL with that. Jill still looks in play. And we saw what Nokia can do, so that could happen again. But I think you said that Nokia is restricting. Robinhood is crashing. Oh, man. AG is First Majestic Silver Corporation, and it's up from $14 and it hit $21. So it's up, I don't know, 33%. And if you saw the chart, I'm looking at it, but if you could see the charts on the other screen there, it looks insane. Same with silver, SLV. I'm just trying to think, what can I replace? Probably AMC. They had a huge float. We probably can skip AMC. Who's good with that? I'm going to replace AMC with XSPA. Good with that. AMC is kind of out of play. It's got a huge float. I don't think it's going to really happen. All right, looks like everybody agrees on that one. Okay. Yeah, just go over to the SEC, start making your complaints. Absolutely. Somebody asked if they can start a class action. For sure. Let's see. XSPA. So this is not that anymore. Select text, and if I click in there, would it let me change it? No. Okay. So I have to erase it. All right, so throughout the day here, I'll be giving you the key levels, entries, and then you got to use the ladder up technique. I'll try to call out as much as I can when we've got one in play. But remember the ladder technique taught in class last night. That's going to be the method to use for sure. Anybody notice the change in those two items? Twitter is up a bit. That's good. Yeah. All right. Thanks. Good. Yes, it is. And Nike as well. And Rocket a smidge. Mostly, we cut most of everything else. But if anybody's still in any of our other swing trades, and they do well today, then good. Then keep them. All right, the market is going to open higher than it closed yesterday. That's good. Just don't drop on us like mad. Fidelity made a $10,000 mistake in my account yesterday. So I have to file a report somewhere to get that reversed. And they made a $7,000 one last year, like 3 months ago. And I'm still in a process with them to get that corrected. So Fidelity has made $17,000 worth of mistakes in my account that I still have yet to get rectified. So what should you buy? I mean, all right, the market opens in 4 minutes. Come join my group. Follow the link in my bio, guys. For those people who are tuning into the pre-market game plan, we'll be shutting off the stream at the opening bell. So you want to come click the link in my bio so you can get all the live trades going. It's free 7-day trial to the group. We day trade every day. All right, 3 minutes and 30 seconds to the open. We are trading KOSS. NAKD, EXPR, Sundial, XSPA, Nokia, Jill, GME, BB, AG, SLV, and AAL. Come join the group. It's free. Follow the link in the bio. Quit eating with your mouth open. I wasn't even eating. Like that was like 5 minutes ago. So where are you pulling this shit out of your ass? Hilarious. Some people are more interested in people's mouths than their fucking wallet. Let's try and make some money here. I should just put my mouth right up to the damn screen. The guy's like, I'm out of here. We can look at Palantir a little bit later today when things are settling down. This morning's going to be incredible. All right, join me on the VIP. Follow the link in the description.